Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly improve your Windows privacy using a free tool called O&O ShutUp10++. So let's get started. O&O ShutUp10++. It's a free privacy tool for Microsoft Windows that lets you control telemetry tracking, background apps, and other data sharing features all in one place. The best part is you don't need to install it. It's portable. Just download and just run. Once you open O&O Shutup 10++, you will see the list of settings. Each settings has a toggle switch and a color label. Here, the green means is recommended settings, yellow means somewhat recommended settings, and red means not recommended, as you can see. Don't worry, we are keeping this simple and safe. Here's the easy and safe method. Just click Action at the top. Click Apply only recommended settings. Click Yes to confirm. If prompted, allow it to create a system restore point. After that, restart your PC. This applies only the green, save privacy settings that won't break your Windows features. Here's recommended settings are safe for most users. Now let me tell you what are the recommended settings. Recommended settings are safe for most users that won't affect your updates, that won't break Microsoft Store, won't disable major features. This usually disable basic telemetry, advertising ID, unnecessary background data collection, and some tracking features. For most people, this is all you need. Now let's talk about the somewhat recommended settings. These are a bit more advanced. They may disable certain Windows features, affect search or Cortana, impact syncing features, and change location services. Actually, they are not dangerous, but they can affect how Windows behaves. If you are not sure what you are doing, I recommend stick with only recommended settings. If you are an advanced user and want maximum privacy, you can review the yellow options one by one and enable them manually. Note, before changing any measure, always remember to create a restore point. Read the description of each settings. Change things one at a time if unsure. This software also makes it easy to revert changes if needed. So that's the safest and easiest way to boost your Windows privacy. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.